Tell you what, like, imagine how many midges they're going to attract in the summer. This close to the river. Eh? Lots. See how much lighter it is when you're out. There's a kettle on. Chucking it down. There's the boys. There's Dad. Hello Dad, see you waving how? There's Tony. There's Hudson Brian. And the dog. Chucking it down, but having a good time. No. Here they come. First night, first camp. Have a look at the setups. Mr. Bruton's tent under a big dodgy tree, but likes to live dangerously. There's Colin doing his bits and bobs, his ablutions with his little coffin tent.
Wait for some more
Oh aye.
great for putting in
There's Mr. T's hammock. Which is inside out, by the way, Wayne. Your top. There's Tony's Coleman exponent. So that's camp for tonight. And what about mine? Well, DD top, set up, sort of tent configuration, and there's Brian's with his little addition, his little porch. There's the heat source for the evening. Darren's just stoking it up. Nice little fire next to a beautiful view. And there's Wayne doing what he normally does. You on YouTube having a slash. And where's a mad dog? There's a mad dog. Yeah, son. So that's it, camp life for tonight, first night. See what tomorrow brings. Day 2 on the Spey River. Weather delightful. Last night, lashed down. Windy, cool. Do it. This is how Wayne gets a wash. That'll be it till Christmas. Is it nice and warm? Just take a few little shot of the boys. Get camera shy down. It's a little bit. Church. Or maybe out here is now. So, this is a little campsite that Geordie made, and he's kindly let us stay tonight. We've got a bit of wood envy going on here.
Hi.
There's the boys down hiding his baldy head. We ain't eating corned beef, tomatoes, and obviously nice little fire going. See, there's tonight's tea.
Like Gordon Ramsay's kitchen.
And there's the dog's tea, getting prepared by Brian.
What you just put on there?
Oh. LNT, leave no trace. So all the boys packing up, ready to go. Lovely day. There's Colin putting his sandals on. My dog, rearing. Darren, puffy-eyed, broken rib. Wayne, black eye, smoking some type of tobacco leaf. We're just having to tidy up round where we had the camp, make sure everything's cleaned up. Need bits of rubbish and out to put. Leave it like we found it. And there we go. Back on the water. That rock just hit some boat. He's away. This is hard to be this. Hold it, mate, paddle away. Looks a bit bummy. Stop for a bite to eat and a cup of tea. There's a dog over there. Well, that's what he days had. No, this is what nearly sunk us. Enjoy that, Cole. Oh. Hello, mate. Got a big rock. Aye. Hello, mate. What's that? Please keep right. Flat it out, mate. Big rocks. Keep it flat. Stay. Excitement. Eh? About now. There you go. Look at Carl hanging on for dear life. Were you hanging on for dear life there, Colin? Knock-a-doo rabbits. Right, rocks all over, mate, I think. It's fucking planted up with the Irish. rock. Right, flat it out down here. Flat it out. What does he fucking look like with them gear on? What on the Knockadoo? It was good that one though, wasn't it? Aye. Oh, flood it! The aftermath of the spillage. We came, conquered, we sunk. fishermen right at the bottom. Chest. It's got manual labour. No. Oh, looks like all below, mate. Nice little hoose there, isn't it? Nice little pad on the river. Aye, not long mate, not long. I don't know whether the town's on the left or the right. I think it looks like it's on the right. Actually there's signposts here. Hold on, right, back paddle. Let's pull up here and tie up. Well, end of paddle on Wednesday. And we're at, well, we're just between Arbor and Craiglachy. Let show you around, buddy. And yes, me and Brian did go for a swim today, but unfortunately I didn't catch it on the camera. Not all of it anyway. So we're all knackered because we paddled about 20 odd mile a day. Got about 20 left to do to get down to Spey Bay. And there's, we've bumped into a local beachcomber. Who, as you see, fit us all up, ready to drop. How many cans you got left?
5.
4?
5.
4? It's been a cracking day, nice and sunny, but it's been very tiring. As you can see, one member of the crew wiped out. All part of the fun though. All part of the fun. Calling you in bed?
I'm looking at the map.
Go up.
Hey, when it was 16 miles a day.
Yeah, I thought it would be.
It's only a
16
mile
to 20.
A mile and a half to Craiglachy where she was born.
Aye.
Hey, and the Avon must have been where I came shooting in, and we took the left hand side and you went, oh no, after that one you were over.
Aye.
The Avon's passed.
That side's supposed to be the naughty part. And yes, I'm back to the top tent because the Terra Nova is shite. And it's going back. It's broke one of the small poles in the back of the tent. So I'm down to the top tent. As is Brian. But can we just say for the record, right? We didn't turn it, it flooded with. Flooded when we sunk. Bearing in mind.
Racing snake. Walk.
But Darren saved the day. He caught the paddle because I had to save the dog.
Paddle in the bags, couldn't
Hey, out of practice. Dan looks like he's living in a den.
Aye, that's Gollum's cave.
That's what one the night does.
It's actually
Bean feast. Bolognese.
I am fucking I was fucking frightened, I'm gonna lie, I'm not.
Actually, I've just stood up. I thought if I don't, I am gonna go to sleep. But that's my views for the night. So we'll go and get some grub made, and we'll get back to you later on. I don't know where the mad dog is. Where's the mad dog? Your Kip. Right, even the mad dog's asleep. There's a water on for the old mountain house. Spag ball. Chicken masala.
Expensive, but not worth it.
Oh, there's another bolognese. Day 3, final day, final push. You might as well if you've got your batteries in. Oh mate, we'll meet you at the bottom of these rapids. Darren, we'll wait down there for you. Paddle, mate. Right, gently, flap it. Morning. Straight across on the other side. are over. They're gone. They're gone. How, mate? Keeping the fucking side best we can. Even if we're scraping the fuck. Ooh, they're under. They're fucking stuck. Pull into the side, this side. Oh. Right. Spray it into the side, into the shallows. Keep going, mate. Oh. Where's Daz? Daz it, mate. You got him? You must have went straight out of that rock, did you?
You see, it's fucking hell, what's that? Just went fly. Well, we dropped into the water. I went right side and over. Come up.
Ah, he must have been on the other side.
Oh, it's right there, like. Fuck, I can see how the water takes you, like.
Oh, there's no stopping.
But I tried to swim in, you couldn't get in. Couldn't move into the side. Right, we're going to get one boat, get on there and get a boat gun for these.
Well, no, we're going to have to get. Hello, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll pull a boat down here and a three will get on and get across. Well, this is the second recovery mission of the trip. Darren's just took a plunge, Darren and Tony, as you can see. He's got a dry suit on when he's alright. Ah, you got a bro inside you, man. Best we can. Flat it out, mate. Paddle now. There you go. Aye. Right, get down. Down. Down! Get down. Hello, sir. Any luck? I think everybody down the river's the same. Well, good luck. Ooh. That was close. That was a little nifty one, wasn't it? We nearly went with a wonder. Eh? Oh, Tony. What's bitten, mate? Oh. Tony! Alright lads, I'm recording you. How did you follow it? How did you follow it? Yari. Rescue mission number 3. The end is nigh. Right in front of us. Right mate, I'm gonna have to dig in to get out here like. The seal win. See the seal? Well, well done boys. Well done. Nice and well done, Col lad. You know,
Well done.
Tony,
Well done.
good man. Hello brother.
Well done, Dan.
There we are. Back to the cars.
Right to the laundry spot.
Loch Insh, Spey Bay, 3 days. Been a good trip. Hopefully, well, I'm up the lakes next week, so more to come. So I hope you enjoyed it. We did. See you later.